Are you a beginner looking to learn how to use Google's Bard? Look no further. This beginner's tutorial will walk you through the basics of using Google's Bard, a powerful tool for creating high-quality digital content. We'll cover all of the basics, from setting up your account to creating and editing your digital stories. You'll also learn about some of the advanced features of Bard that can help you get the most out of your digital content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to create engaging and interactive digital content with ease. So let's get started. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video for more informational videos like this. Without any further delay, let's dive in. What is Bard? Google Bard is an AI-powered chatbot tool designed by Google to simulate human conversations using natural language processing and machine learning. In addition to supplementing Google search, Bard can be integrated into websites, messaging platforms, or applications to provide realistic, natural language responses to user questions. The library was developed by Google's research team, and it has been widely used by businesses and individuals to create content for various purposes. Its popularity is attributed to its ease of use, flexibility, and reliability. Bard makes use of a technique known as deep learning to generate text that is coherent and readable. This approach involves training models with large amounts of text data so that the system can learn the language rules and sentence structures to create its own original content. With the large amount of data available on the internet, the potential for Bard to generate high-quality content is practically limitless. The output generated by Bard can be edited to suit the user's needs, giving them greater control over the final product. In essence, Bard can be thought of as a powerful writing assistant that can create content to save writers time and effort and enhance their writing experience. Whether you are creating content for a blog, product descriptions, or even fiction writing, Bard is a useful tool for anyone looking to generate text quickly and efficiently. What can Bard be used for? Google's Bard is an incredible tool that has many applications. It is designed to assist you in generating natural language text by using deep learning models. This AI language model can generate text that is similar in tone, style, and voice to the text it has been trained on. Let's take a look at some of the things that Bard can be used for. 1. Writing content. Bard can assist writers in generating content. By simply feeding it with prompts, the model can generate well-structured sentences that are coherent and relevant. 2. Chatbots. Bard can be used to power chatbots that can respond to customers' questions, concerns, and requests in natural language. By training Bard on relevant data, it can generate accurate and timely responses. 3. Social media. Bard can assist social media managers in generating content that aligns with their brand's voice and style. With the help of Bard, businesses can ensure that their social media content is well-crafted and engaging. 4. Content curation. Bard can help content curators generate summaries of articles and other forms of content quickly. By analyzing and summarizing data, Bard can assist in the selection of the most relevant and informative content for the audience. 5. Translation. With the help of Bard, you can generate machine translations of various texts in different languages. The resulting translations are relatively accurate and can be helpful in facilitating cross-border communications. In summary, Bard is a versatile tool that can assist in a range of tasks. Its capacity to generate natural language texts has numerous applications that can benefit businesses and individuals alike. How to install Bard. Installing Bard is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few steps. Here is how you can install Bard on your device. Step 1. Open your browser and navigate to the Bard website. Step 2. Click on the Try button on the home page to use the latest version of Bard. Step 3. Now scroll down and click on I agree. Step 4. Now you will be logged into Bard by your current Google account. In addition to use Bard, you will also need to have a Google Cloud account. You can create a new account on the Google Cloud website, and it is free to sign up. Once you have created an account, you will need to generate API keys and configure them in Bard to start using it. Overall, installing Bard is a straightforward process that requires you to download and follow the installation instructions. With Bard and a Google Cloud account, You can quickly get started with natural language processing and create intelligent applications that can understand human language. How to use Bard. Like ChatGPT, Bard is mostly just an empty text field, which says enter a prompt here. Type in your prompt or question, and Bard will provide an answer. Helpfully, Google gives a few random ideas to get you started with, which are different each time you open up Bard. The first example I was given was the following. What's a fast, balanced vegetarian meal for me to make? It should be high in protein and fiber. Bard then provided a bullet list of 5 different meals, including a tofu scramble, lentil soup, and vegetarian stir-fry. From there, I can take the conversation in any direction I want, whether that's to ask for 5 more meals or for 5 different recipes for one of the meals. Beyond the basics, Google Bard has a few important features that set it apart from other chatbots. First, you'll see that with every response, Bard also gives you 2 other drafts of the same answer. Just click View Other Drafts to access the other answers. In this case, one of the drafts provided a detailed recipe of one particular meal, and the other was a slightly modified version of the first draft. You can even click Regenerate Drafts to have Bard attempt another answer. However, I've noticed that regenerating the drafts often produces very similar results. You're better off editing the prompt by clicking the pencil icon or using a new prompt to try to get a better answer from Bard. Some use cases of Bard. One of the primary uses of Bard is for simplifying the process of reading lengthy articles and blog posts. With the help of Bard, you can get a summarized version of a text in just a few seconds. This is a great feature for people who don't have the time or patience to read through an entire article, or for those who simply want to get to the main points quickly. Another useful application of Bard is for research purposes. If you are conducting research on a particular topic, you may come across several long articles and academic papers that can be time-consuming to read in their entirety. Bard can be an excellent tool to help you quickly summarize these documents and identify the key takeaways. Bard can also be beneficial for content creators, such as bloggers and journalists, who need to stay up to date on current events and trends. By using Bard, you can quickly scan through news articles and other sources to find the most critical information without spending hours reading through the entire piece. Finally, Bard can be helpful for people with visual impairments or reading difficulties, such as dyslexia. By summarizing the text, Bard can make it easier for these individuals to read and understand information that might otherwise be difficult for them. What are your thoughts on this? Do let us know in the comment section below. See you in the next one.